Honorable Speaker, this is a request for a statement regarding the circumstances that led to the arrest and subsequent release of a suspect by the Directorate of Criminal Investigations. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order number 44-2C, I rise to request for a statement from the Chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Administration and Internal Security regarding the circumstances that led to the arrest and subsequent release of a specified suspect by the Directorate of Criminal Investigations. Honorable Speaker, on the 7th of January 2025, Mr. Eric Matakwa Okeno of ID number 30 lodged a complaint with the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, the DCI, in Nairobi concerning an alleged land fraud to property number CR 51563 situated in Kikambala area, Kilifi County. The property, which forms part of the estate of the late Miss Rosemary Akinyi Okeno, was allegedly fraudulently transferred to Mr. James Ovid Sugars Yap. Following the complaint, the DCI undertook investigations and forwarded the file to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions for review, advice, and further action. Upon consideration of the file, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions recommended that the suspect, Mr. Farouk Omar Mzee, be arrested and charged. On the 2nd April 2026, Mr. Farouk Omar Mzee was arrested but was reportedly released on the same day without being charged before a court of law. The circumstances surrounding this release remain unclear. This has raised concern amongst the family of the late Miss Rosemary Akinyi Okeno, who fear that the delay or failure to prosecute the matter may frustrate the course of justice and deny the estate legal redress. Honorable Speaker, it is against this background that I request for a statement from the Chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Administration and Internal Security on the following. Number one, the circumstances under which the suspect was released by the Directorate of Criminal Investigations on 2nd April 2026. Number two, the status of investigations into the alleged fraudulent transfer of property known as CR 51563 situated in Kikambala, Kilifi County. Number three, the failure of the DCI to consult with the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions and the complainant on the matter before the release. Number four, the status of the matter and the failure to arrest and charge the suspect in court. And number five, the timeline that the DCI is expected to execute the arrest and produce the suspect to the ODPP for arraignment in the court. Thank you very much.